So I want to start today by expressing my deep disappointment in Governor Bruce Rauner's decision yesterday to veto a common-sense gun dealer licensing bill that I've long supported. To do nothing, yet again, in the wake of another mass school shooting, to continue to do nothing, given the gun violence that's tearing our communities apart, is unacceptable. We don't have to live in a society that normalizes violence. It's clear that the bill was just a start and not an end, but between the lack of leadership at the state level from Governor Rauner and the lack of leadership at the federal level from President Trump, we're sadly going to have to continue this fight. As always, the best way to make our voices heard is at the ballot box. Speaking of the state, I would like to highlight yet again the complete abdication of fiscal responsibility by Governor Rauner and his administration. Our health and hospital system reported to the board today that the state owes us, as of last week, $258 million. I'll say that again, $258 million. This is up from $195 million the state owed the health and hospital system as of January 31st. So that's a considerable boost. According to our budget team, the state also owes an additional $45 million to our general fund. So they owe $258 million to our health and hospital system and another $45 million to the general fund. So they owe us more than $300 million. $25 million to the Administrative Office of Illinois Courts, that's criminal justice initiatives, $18 million in pass-through grants, and $2 million in rent, some of it dating back to fiscal year 2016. The county continues to navigate these fiscally challenging times with a balanced budget, although this has involved a lot of tough and painful decisions. It would be helpful if the state would demonstrate the same kind of responsibility and care for constituents by paying its bills and paying them on time.
This has been a Look Inside Cook County.